So I think it's about to rain. I hope to paddle back to shore before it does. I got a okay view for y'all. Hopefully my phone don't get wet. And yeah. If y'all want me to continue these kayak videos, you need to give me a mount for my phone, because baby, you should see how this shit set up. Matter of fact, let me put this glove right here. Oh wait, maybe something now. I can put it on between time so y'all can see what the fuck is going on. Alright, maybe that'll work. Oh, nope, that ain't gonna work. Nope, that ain't gonna work. So, you get that angle. I think I'm gonna drop my jump some more. Drag on leaves and shit. I gotta go, y'all. I ain't trying to get caught in this rain. That's what I'm not trying to do. I'm not doing that. I do want to catch a fish though. That would be nice. Catch me a little slob or so. Well, that was the end of the lake when I started the video. Or the ocean, water, river, whatever you want to call where I'm kayaking right now. I'm in a spot called Occoquan, Virginia. They do have kayak rentals. I'm at Occoquan Regional Park. They have kayak rentals. If you're a Virginia resident, you get a discount. Otherwise, it's $19 an hour. You know what I'm saying? It's a very historic site. Like, you got these little buildings that look like abandoned piers, and whatever this industrial building was, it sure got a lot of life growing around it now. Just came from a little bridge. I don't know why they drove that boat that far. This water kind of low right here, but yeah. Let me show y'all this abandoned boat when we drive past it. Hold up. I'm trying to actually see too how long it take me to get where I launch at, so I know how many minutes it take me to paddle this stuff comfortably. You know, it's about to rain at 8. I might stay in the water near where my car is. That way I'm not too far from shore. But I think my trip here today is pretty much over. I really wanted to catch a fish, but I don't think I have enough time today. Maybe next weekend, because it's supposed to be a rainy weekend all weekend. I see my purple. Oh shit, I'm getting the phone wet. See what I'm saying? I need to stop doing too much. But yeah, let me show y'all. Look, it's historic. I think this is a bando. trapped out vacancy. Oh, shoot. Police right there. You got the police over there. Let's see if we can zoom in. Can't. They right there. Fairfax County Police. It looks like an abandoned house. Somebody got a ladder right there. Look like they can come up. Police like right there. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, but like abandoned. Oh, either I'm stuck on something or I got a fish. Hold up. I get stuck on something. Yeah, I think I was stuck. Something biting though. Something biting for sure. Toss her back out real quick. Something biting for sure. Like for this to trail on behind me. Like I said, let me get close to the shore. I'm a little far right now. Alright. What that big bird's nest though? I think I passed it already. It's like 2 eagles' nests. I'll show y'all the other one. 2 eagles' nests right here. They have a lot of things to do, like a lot of attractions. I know they got a jet ski over here. Haven't tried the jet ski yet. I wish I had somebody to ride with me. I've been just enjoying my kayak. Jet ski might be fun though, just to try out one day. Look, let me show y'all. The lights are on, so maybe it's not abandoned. Maybe it's just, I don't know y'all, but it's a freaking spooky house if somebody's still living in it. Let me show you. That jump. That look like a haunted house. This is the haunted boat right here. The sail's gone. It's old. And then it's a dilly. A dilly. It's a dilly boat. And it's abandoned like a lot. Let me get close up. Let me show y'all. Backing up. Backing up. Beep. 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 Oh, shit. I backed up too far. I backed up too far on the boat, but hold up. Now I'm boat hunted. I backed up too far, y'all. Now my boat hunted. Hey, I stopped smoking. Now I'm trying to stop cussing. Look at this abandoned boat. This boat probably was around when the Titanic was around. Look at the scene. It's just so historic. Abandoned dock. Dock ain't been maintenance in years. I wonder what it's like right here during Halloween. Let me know if y'all see something spooky that I ain't pointing out, because sometimes you might see some strange activity. Oh, now we get into the rich people. Hold on. Let me show y'all these rich houses. These houses. These people rich money. Y'all notice everything purple, right? I got the purple paddle with the purple time. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to paint my nails purple. Glasses purple. Everything purple. Won't it go? You hear me? Everything purple. Won't it go? You said won't it go? Everything is purple. What is you talking about? It goes together. It goes all the time. I even got a purple dry bag with a purple jacket on the inside. They lucky I couldn't find me a purple ugly stick, because I had that too. Hey, alright, let me show y'all these people. Let me show y'all the future of my house. But my house gonna be like all these houses on this strip put together with the water in the backyard. You feel me? Like, This house a little bit, it's big now, but it's a little too small for how much I think I'm gonna be making in my lifetime, you know? So, and when I buy a big giant house, I'm gonna move all my family in like we Mexican. Y'all know I do everything like I'm Mexican, so it's only right to move all my family in like I'm Mexican, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I don't think, like, I think if I move everybody in and I pay the bills and let them, you know, do them, we shouldn't have no problems. You know, when you live with your folks and y'all all splitting the bills, everybody got something to say, or he ate the last slice of bread, or he take too long in the shower and only putting that $500 a month and do. So it don't never work out. But I feel like if I take care of it, it shouldn't be no reason why we can't be the the Happy Brady bunch. You know what I'm saying? Look at these big houses. You see what I'm talking about? The view is nice. Why wouldn't you want to hear a boat? Fuck a boat, drive a yak. I'm in the yak right now, y'all. People be getting confused, talking about, oh, you out there in that canoe today? No, I'm in the yak. This a yak. This a purple yak, all right? It's a purple yak. What time is it? I really got it. Let me check my Palm Pilot. Hey, nah, because I don't want to get caught in this rain, man. This rain can't, yeah, let me get back. Let me stop fishing. Hold up and bring my little stuff in. I got distracted for a second. Y'all see the nice view, though, behind me, right? It looks so cute, little castles of a house. Little beach houses. Yeah, that's what they are, little beach houses. You know what I'm saying? I bought a boat to give me some inspiration, you feel me? Because I was used to fishing on the rocks, on the pier, on the bay, you know, in the sand. Now I'm fishing in the middle of the water. I don't got no motor though, but I'm out here. Little ducks. I don't got no motor. Right now, coming up on my right, we're about to pass this place called Madigan's. I don't know if you ever heard of it, but it's one of my landmarks when I'm halfway. You know what I'm saying? They do boat rentals too, but I just never been. I go to the other part, the other side, and I park right there and get in the water right there. Oh, look at her purple. She got on purple. Look like they have a karaoke night. So far, the time is at 13 minutes. This is going to be an uncut, unedited video. You know what I'm saying? It took me 13 minutes to get from that end. And I've been chilling, too. All right, let me show y'all Madigan's. Let me show y'all Madigan's. Hold on, let me turn this thing around. Oh. Oh, I'm stuck on that rock, y'all. Hold on. Hold on. I kind of messed up. Oh, man. I kind of messed up. Hold up. I didn't get towards the shore anyway. Y'all hear the music? Oh. Y'all hear the music? So this is Madigan's right behind me. It's like a restaurant. They have the little kayak rooms. And over there is where they playing music. I don't know what they be having going on, but it sounds fun. You say hi. Oh. Yeah, all right. You say huh? I'm about to go over there and party with them. Hold up. We're gonna go party. And they say it's last call. What is the only thing I see? I hear 2 songs right now. I can't pick which one I want to go to. I won't shed a tear. Hold up. I gotta go over there. Darling, stand. I think they have a karaoke night. Should tumble and fall in the mountains, will crumble to the sea. Oh, I won't cry, I won't cry, won't shed no tears. As you say, what? So darling, darling, oh, stand by me. I think they have a karaoke night because that don't sound like who it should sound like. Alright, let's go see what this other music getting on. Yeah, that's Madigan's, y'all. Hold up. That's Madigan's. With the jet skis and the boats. That's Madigan's. They need a louder speaker though because this other party over here is shutting them down. My timer at 17 minutes, y'all. I think I would have been there in 15 minutes had I not been playing around. Had I not been playing around, I could have been there. Ooh, I should fish right here under the bridge. I probably won't get wet. They're having a little party. What the coolest part about this is I can park my boat right here real quick and get out if I wanted to. Hold up. What is that? By the way, that way, that way. Yeah. Ow. It is for you. What? Everything in the real way, y'all. It's VeeDaFisher. I make music out here on this water. Music and peace. What? Stop being a fool and get you a kayak and join me too. Ow. that wave. I'm floating that wave. That wave. I'm riding that wave. Down, 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 down. Ow. Let me stop playing so much. Hey. Y'all want to see the smallest town you ever going to see? Let me show y'all. It's about to rain. I gotta go. Them clouds is turning on me. Y'all see them? Ooh. Hold on. I gotta show y'all the smallest town real quick. This is probably like my last landmark before the destination. And I really want to show y'all the smallest town of Occoquan. And you need a boat to get to it. You can't just get to it by walking. You're going to have to swim if you don't have a boat. But let me show y'all. It's a little piece of land. I'm trying to figure out if I can buy it or not. If I can buy this piece of land, I'm going to build me a little tiny home. Build me a little tiny home. You know what I'm saying? Look. The town of Occoquan. Yep. It's called, what the hell is it called? Craig Hill Isle. It's a little town. It's just that little bit of land right there. It's a little island. But look, don't mind them trees in the back, because that's in the back. It's right here. It's just a little island. I go on the other side. You see them rocks right there, so you can go on the other side of the rocks. And then you see where that boat just came? Yeah, so it's just a little island. Yeah, it's just a little island. Right now we at 21 minutes. I got 25 minutes of footage for y'all. The people from the beach left. Oh yeah, it's about to rain. I need to go. I gotta go. Look at the storm. The storm behind me. In front of me is nothing but clear, beautiful skies. But right now, oh man, that storm is coming. It's coming. Let me. Oh shit. My dumb ass up, y'all. Excuse my language. I done messed up. Oh. I hope my boat doing all right down there. I hope my little boat doing all right, because why would they ever bring me by these rocks? All right, hold up. I was not supposed to be right there. All right, there we go. Whew. All right, so y'all see the little island. That's what I was talking about, my little island. See, I row kind of fast. I'm getting the hang of this rowing stuff. My little purple kayak. All right, I gotta stop taking breaks, y'all. I gotta go. I'm really not trying to get caught in the storm. I'm trying to put it on my car. I gotta put the boat on the car. I should ask, can I hold on to their boat while they... Nah, let me stop being lazy. By the time my birthday come, I'm gonna be strong and built, you hear me? I'm gonna be stacked up. Stacked up. It's kind of hot. I want to take this vest off, but I only know how to swim backwards. Yeah, you heard me right. I can't lay on my stomach and swim. I gotta swim on my back and do the little butterfly stroke like this. That's the only way. So if you ever see me swimming backwards, still send help, all right? Don't think I'm just playing around. Like, that's the only way, all right? But yeah, let me go. I know my grandpa probably gonna see this video. He gonna be like, backwards? He probably laughing right now as we just passed that part. He gonna probably sign me up for some swimming classes. But yeah, this is life on a kayak. It's very nice. Oh look, we passing some more nice houses. So I'm going to the left side, on the right of me. It's a lot of nice little houses. They got their own little boats and stuff. It's cool little park. I did travel all the way down the water that way, and it's a big opening towards the Potomac, but I mean, I don't really, the large body of water is cool, but I kind of like going to this end where the dam at. I like that end. It's kind of peaceful. The big boat's not right there. It's just a lot of kayakers. Today, a lot of kayakers ain't out because of the weather, of course. I'm the only crazy one. Well, I haven't got rained on, but I only got the road for like 2 hours. The rain been on and off. Look, y'all, here's a bald eagle in this nest. I think he got some baby eagles in there. Yeah, I'm showing you off to the people. You see the bald eagle? Oh, wait. It's up there. Y'all see it? He was just saying hi to me. He said, I won't get too close. All right? Yeah, this is a little baby bald eagle. I don't know what he telling him to get on somewhere. He just trying to hang on to, oh, y'all can't even see. I'm the baddest camera girl ever. All right, look. That's a bald eagle, though. If I flip the camera around, you can see better, but I can't. I'm on the boat, and I need y'all to help me invest in a GoPro. If I get a GoPro, oh, I get all the views for y'all. But right now, I'm just on my little iPhone 14, praying that it don't get wet. All right. I'm about 5 minutes till docking zone. My arms, I wouldn't say they tired. I'm not tired. I don't think I am. After I get there, I'm gonna just stop the video and see what the weather looking like before I make my final decisions. But I just wanted to show y'all my rowing. It looked like we had almost 30 minutes when I get there. Took me 30 minutes. Comfortably taking breaks. Sightsee a little bit. I listened to some music. Good 20 minutes. I probably make it down there. Good 20-minute row. Y'all remember, if y'all like these videos I make, share them to your friends, your loved ones, anybody you know who kayaks, so they could join me. Be like, man, she be out there by herself. Go kayak with her since you got one, you know. Or even if you just enjoy this video, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, and comment. Where should I go to next? Because I'm stuck on Aquaquan. If I can find me another nice park to kayak, I'm going to show y'all. Until next time, everything in the real way. Pay attention to what I'm doing. Pay attention to what you're doing. Y'all want to see all the ducks? our ducks in the water. Baby ducks, big ducks. Baby ducks and big ducks. Hold up. I gave y'all 10 extra minutes than I intended to. Wait till the ride has come to a complete stop.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing well. How you doing? Well, we all done. Bye-bye.